Meteorologist Joe Hansel with a look at your severe weather threats. And thanks so much for tuning in. Now, we got a lot of serious heat to go around across the lower 48. 95 in Minneapolis is the same forecast on Memorial Day as Houston at 95. Phoenix at 101. Hawaii still dealing with the Kilauea volcano this weekend as well. And in the Gulf of Mexico, we're keeping a close eye on subtropical storm Alberto, still in subtropical status earlier on Saturday afternoon, but still expected to intensify into a tropical storm as it feeds off all that warm Gulf of Mexico water and expected to make landfall sometime either late Memorial Day or early Tuesday morning. Back to work and school somewhere in between Pensacola to about Mobile, Alabama, just east of New Orleans. So we got Florida underneath a state of emergency that was issued on Saturday, preparing for the rain. We got flash flood watches and flood watches out in portions of the Deep South and other areas on Saturday. Southwest Texas, heat advisories, excessive heat warnings going on. Red flag warnings for a bunch of the Four Corners continues today. And 6 areas across the nation watching for severe weather. From Miami to Montana, we got a marginal to slight risk out. Much of Florida, marginal risk of severe weather on Sunday, and with moisture from Alberta coming in, up to a slight risk in portions of the upper Midwest and inner Mountain West. And Monday, similar areas watching for severe weather as well, including cities like Pensacola, Denver, and up north towards Duluth, Minnesota as well. Quick look at the drought. Exceptional drought does continue for the Four Corners. Hence all those red flag warnings still sticking around. So we got a trough of low pressure over Vegas this weekend, helping to enhance that ridge of high pressure extending all the way north into Canada, helping to influence more of that heat. Again, we'll keep a close eye on Alberto, still expected to intensify as showers and storms wrap around that center of circulation, what models are showing. And this weekend, Sunday and Memorial Day on Monday, watching for that chance of heavy rain and gusty winds. Could see several inches of rain for much of the Deep South through Memorial Day.